Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to learn about how you can redeem John Lewis gift card. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first of all you need to do is open a web browser of your preference and type in the URL www.johnlewis.com. So once you do it, you will end up in its official home page of its website. Now make sure that you are signed in into your account, and as you are signed in, you can select any of the items you want to purchase and simply press on the add to basket option. So after you add the item into your basket, simply press on the go to basket option. So after you press it on, you will end up in the basket option. So now simply press on the continue to checkout. So once you press this on, you will end up in this kind of page. So now all you need to do is simply select whether you want a free collection or you want it to get delivered. If you have selected a free collection, you need to simply choose a date for your collection and enter a valid phone number. After doing this, continue to payment, and in the payment section you can find add a promo code or use a gift card or voucher number. So once you press on the gift card or e-gift card, you need to simply type in your gift card number and your PIN code, and you need to press the done option. After doing this, your John Lewis gift card will get successfully redeemed. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos. Thank you for watching.